everyone, and welcome to Learn English with Us, our real-life English shadowing practice podcast.
That's right. I'm Adam.
And I'm Sara. And today, we're diving into something super practical, talking about your daily routine.
It's a topic you use every single day, right? But sometimes it's hard to make it sound natural in English.
Exactly. You might know the words, but getting the flow, the rhythm, the intonation just right can be tricky.
And that's where shadowing comes in. It's an amazing way to train your mouth and ears to sound more like a native speaker.
So, in this episode, we're going to practice common phrases about daily routines. We'll say each sentence, and then you'll have a chance to repeat it right after us.
We'll do it slowly, then at a normal speed, and finally, a little faster. Don't worry if it's hard at first. Just try your best.
The goal isn't perfection, it's practice. So, let's jump right in. Are you ready, Adam?
I'm ready, Sara. Let's get started with our morning routines.
Great! Listen carefully, then repeat.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
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 I usually get out of bed quickly.
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 First, I brush my teeth.
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 Then, I take a shower.
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 After that, I get dressed.
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 I always make breakfast.
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 I drink a cup of coffee.
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 I leave home at 8:30.
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 I go to work by bus.
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 All right, how was that first round? Morning routines can be a bit of a rush, right?
Definitely. Sometimes I feel like I'm running a marathon before 9 a.m. Now, let's move on to the afternoon.
My afternoon usually starts with lunch. Ready to practice?
Let's do it.
I have lunch around 1 o'clock.
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 I work for 8 hours.
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 Sometimes I take a short break.
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 Sometimes I take a short break. I finish work at 5 o'clock.
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 Excellent. That's the afternoon done. Now for the evening. This is usually when I finally relax a bit.
Me too. Let's get into those evening phrases, everyone.
I get home in the evening.
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 I cook dinner around 6:30.
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 We eat dinner together.
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 After dinner, I relax.
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 I usually watch TV.
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 Sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I term a book.
Sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I term a book.
Sometimes I read a book.
Sometimes I term a book.
I go to bed around 10:30.
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 Wow, we just went through a whole day. How do you feel, Sara?
Pretty good, actually. It's amazing how much you can practice in a short time. I hope everyone at home is feeling more confident.
I hope so too. And to show you how these phrases sound in a real conversation, Sara and I are going to have a little chat about our days.
All right, Adam, let me ask you, what time do you usually wake up?
Well, I usually wake up at 7 o'clock, but I don't always get out of bed quickly.
I know that feeling. Do you make breakfast every day?
Yes, I always make breakfast, and I always drink a cup of coffee to wake up properly.
Sounds like a good routine. And what about your evenings? What do you do after dinner?
After dinner, I like to relax. I usually watch TV, or sometimes I read a book. It helps me unwind.
That's nice. I go to bed around 10:30 most nights, but sometimes I stay up a bit later reading.
See, it's so easy to talk about, and that's the power of shadowing.
Absolutely. It really helps you feel the rhythm of English and use these phrases naturally.
Remember, the more you practice, the more comfortable and confident you'll become. Don't worry about being perfect, just keep trying.
Exactly. Even just a few minutes of shadowing every day can make a huge difference.
So, that's it for our first episode of Real Life English Shadowing Practice.
Thanks for practicing with us today. We hope you found it helpful and fun.
Keep practicing your daily routines, and we'll see you next time for more real life English shadowing.
Bye for now.
See you in next episode.